Hello students. So welcome back for the social studies class once again. I hope you have enjoyed the previous class. So this is the teaching video of grade 3 social studies block 12 lesson plan 3. So today we are going to see about lesson plan 3. Okay. So please keep ready your resources, content book, workbook, notebook, pencil and eraser. Sorry. Let us look at the previous learning what we have learned. We could see about the hospital, right? We need a hospital. Let me tell you, hospital is a place where people come for treatment for the sickness. Okay? Doctors and nurses work in the hospital along with their team. Doctor treats the patients and nurses gives care. If we do not have our own vehicle, we can call or we can use ambulance to go to hospital. Hospital help us to be healthy again. If there is no hospital, people would suffer with disease and sickness. Okay. So now we are going to see the next block and next lesson plan. So these are the keywords, you should know it. Bank and money. And bank is an organization which keeps money safely for its customers. And money means paying something or buying something. The means of paying something or buying something in terms of coins and notes, right? That is money. So look at these pictures. So after looking this picture, you must be desired to get it, right? पिक्चर को देखने के बाद मन में इसको पाने के लिए आ रहा है जरूर. Okay, let's see. So these are the money. Okay, yeah, look it carefully. What can we use these for? Can we tell me? What can we use these for? Do we need to keep it safe? Why? Let me tell you. These are money, and we use money for everything we need, like to buying food, clothes, or many other things. Okay. Do we need to keep it safe? Yes, we need to keep it safe. We need to keep the money safe. Why? Because money needs to be kept safe so it is not lost or stolen. If we will not keep it safe, it will be lost or it may be stolen. Let's move to the next slide. So yeah, here is again the same point which I have told you. We use money for everything we need, like buying food, clothes and money, many other things. People work very hard to earn the money, right? So that is why money needs to be kept safe, so it may not lost or stolen. So this is our aim for today's class. You will be able to assess the importance of banks. Okay, and this is our topic, keeping money safe. I would like to suggest you, please divide in a group of at least 2 or 3 people. After dividing in a group, you have to read this article, keeping money safe. Okay, so your time starts now. Yes, shall I read for you or you will read it? I hope you have read it. Let me read for you once again. One day Amit was having breakfast with his mother, father, sister and brother. The phone rang. Amit's father picked the phone and talked with someone. He looked very surprised at first and then he gave a big happy laugh. He was going to receive a lot of money from someone as a prize. Everyone in the house was very excited. The father went to get the money. It was really a lot of money. When he came back, he told his wife, "Where should we keep this money? I am worried it may get stolen." Where can they keep the money? Second, Mrs. Sen was traveling in a train. Her son and daughter were with her. She was carrying a purse with a lot of money. Soon the train stopped at a station. The children wanted to eat something. So Mrs. Sen got off the train to buy them some food. She was standing near a mango stand when suddenly someone snatched her purse and ran away. She started shouting, "Help! Help! Someone robbed me!" People ran after the thief but could not catch him. Mrs. Sen lost a lot of money. What was Mrs. Sen's problem? Did she need to carry so much money with her? Where could she have kept her money safely? Third point. There was a marriage in the house. Mrs. Gupta wore a lot of jewelry. Many people told her that she was looking very nice. Mrs. Gupta went home and took off her jewelry and kept it in her cupboard. Mr. Gupta said, that is a lot of jewelry to keep at home. You should be careful. At night a thief came into their house and took all the jewelry. In the morning they woke up and felt very sad that all the jewelry was gone. Jewelry cost a lot of money. What happened to Mrs. Gupta's jewelry? Where could she have kept it safely? I hope you have understood. Let's discuss. What were the problem in the stories? What were the problem in the stories? What were some valuable things in the stories? What happens when people lose those things? What solution did you find to keep their money and the valuables safe? Why? Where do you have the least chance of losing money? Let us talk. So, what were the problem in the story? And that's what the problem in the story was: people losing their things. People losing their things. And what were some valuable things in the story that they lost? Money and jewelry. Right? So money and jewelry was the valuable things in the stories. What happened when people lose those things? Yes, when we lose such things, we become sad because we work very hard for that. Okay? So losing our money and jewelry or any other valuable things makes us sad. But why? Because we worked hard for that. Okay. Next, what solutions did you find to keep their money and valuable safe? Right. Keep the money in the bank for safety. Instead of keeping in our home or in cupboard, it should be keep it in the bank. Right? So why should we keep in the bank? Or where do we have the least chance of losing money? Of course. So least chance of losing money in the bank. It is in the bank. If you keep your money in the bank also sometimes it's robbed by people, but there's a lot of security in the bank. In these days, a lot of securities are there. CCTVs, cameras, and security guards. They protect the banks and ATMs day and night. So that is why there's a least chance of losing money in bank. So that's why we should keep our money safe in the bank. Okay, I hope you have understood. Please remember this point. We can keep our money safe in a bank. We can also keep our other valuables in a bank, like jewelry and all. That also we can keep in our bank. We can take out money from the bank when we need it. When you keep your money in the bank, You can take it also, no problem. Okay, so whenever you need, you can take it out. Next, have you ever visited a bank with an adult? How do bank help us? What if there were no banks? Right, let me tell you. Yes, you would have visited. I too have visited the bank many times. So keeps our money safe. Banks keeps our money safe. I'll repeat. We may have been to the bank with our parents or other adults. Banks are places where we can keep all our valuables and money safe. Right? And we can visit the bank to take money also, to take out when we need it. If banks did not exist, then we have to keep our valuable at home and have the risk of them getting lost or stolen. Okay, when there is no bank, or when we do not keep our things in the bank, so there is a risk of losing our money and jewelry. So that is why we need bank to keep our valuables and money safe. I hope you have understood and got it. Shall we proceed? Okay. This is not your point. Why do banks have CCTV cameras? Why do banks have CCTV cameras and security guards? Can you tell me? Right. Banks do have some risk of being robbed, because there's a chance of being robbed in the banks also. So most banks, that is why most banks have good security system to protect it. Banks do have some risks of being robbed, so most of banks have a good security system to protect it. What are those security systems? So there are security guards, there are CCTV cameras and alarm system at the banks. So therefore our money and other valuable items are safe at the bank. Look at the bank and security in the bank. These are the security guards who guard our money or the bank day and night. Okay, now we have reached to the question of the day. So this is the question of day. Where can we keep our money safe? Where can we keep our money safe? Option will be given in the link which is posted in Schoolia. Look at here, this is worksheet S3, keeping money safe. You have to do on your own. Okay, write one. In the box you have to fill it. Second, what is a bank? And write how banks are useful for us. Third point, how are the banks protected from bad people coming in? Okay, I hope you have understood. Now you have to read the topic keeping money safe, block 12 again. From block 12, keeping money safe, this topic you have to read it again. After reading it, you have to complete the workbook S3, and then you have to do the practice question 6 in notebook. Understand? Okay. So our today's lesson plan is over. So I hope you have enjoyed. So we will meet once again in the next video. Right? Thank you very much. God bless you.